So I'm going to change the transmission fluid today, and the dipstick is right here. This is a world standard, so it's a WS fluid. So make sure you get the right one and not the wrong one. So basically, you will have to take a couple clip. Basically, you have to take a couple clip out to get this shoe out. Once you get a couple shoe, you can just bend it. You don't have to take all the way out, just bend it enough until you get to the oil pan. Trans pan. So here's the transmission pan, and here's the drainer. We're gonna use a 10 millimeter. So once you put it, make sure you hit it so it go in all the way. And you don't want to strip it. And push it up while you pull it. And after that, just drain it. So after the drain finish, just put it back. You're supposed to reuse, not reuse, get a new gasket. But I think it should be okay, just reuse the old one. I'm going to tie it back up. So just hand tighten it too. You know how to do that tight on this. This will be good enough. Like I said, just hand tighten it and that should be okay. But you want to make sure we can add the fluid in and just go back down here and just recheck and see that you're leaking or not. So I think it take about 3.5 or 4 quart of ATF. So after you put 3.5, just start up the car and let it warm up and check the fluid. Also, when you start up, just put in gear like reverse, forward, park and stuff, so it can go in gear. And stop doing that. So I'm going to stop the car, and I'm going to let it run for 10 to 15 minutes to get to the right temperature. And what you can do is go to the gear and just shift back and forth a couple of times, so the fluid can just go everywhere. And so now we're gonna wait for 10-15 minutes into warm up, then we go check the dipstick. So you can see that the oil level is here now. So I'm gonna add more oil. More trans fluid. you're looking at is right here now. So just waiting with them a bit longer. So you look at it, it's right here. So I'm going to go just a little bit more and this video now. You look at it right now, it's right here. So that's good enough.